Alright, I'm going to teach you how to solo music. Soloing does not have any other secret, only not to use the notes one by one, or use the breaking note and passing chord at the same time. That will mix amazingly, and mixing the note of the chord of the progression. So from today, you are going to be the best of solo. So what you're going to do is that whenever you're playing song, call it on church, so try to solo a bit. If you cannot make it perfect, then you rush back to progression of the song and continue playing with that. So I'm going to teach you with this common progression, 1 4 5 1 progression. So let's start. Onye nwe m ịchụrụ aja n'obe ka ụmụ dị ndụ n'elu ụwa. Chi m ịchụrụ aja n'obe ka ụmụ dị ndụ n'elu ụwa. Chineke anwụghị anwụ ma ọlị, ọ dị ndụ n'elu ụwa. So how can you solo this? Okay, let me show you the secret. The song first last on do. So this is the common way of soloing this song, but you can solo like this. So this is the way of soloing. The only thing is to maintain that progression you're on. So that is the secret of soloing. Soloing does not have any other secret if not that. So thank you for watching.